Can you even eat this?
I can't even eat this.
I totally forgot that you don't eat meat.
I
Take a roll, go! Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Today I'm taking something I've always wanted to try. The legend, Anthony Bourdain's favorite sandwich ever.
Ooh.
Mortadella. I know you're excited for
Ooh,
this.
I can't wait for this.
Mortadella, provolone cheese, Kaiser roll, like simple.
But legendary.
We're diving into this one. Let's do it on the Blackstone.
Let's do it.
Now, I grew up eating mortadella. This sandwich, Anthony Bourdain's favorite, it starts off with mortadella piled onto a skillet, but we're doing this on the Blackstone, 3 piles per sandwich. I'm making one for me, one for Andy. On top of each pile, we're going down with provolone cheese. Let that get nice and melty.
How do you feel about provolone cheese in general?
I love provolone cheese.
It's
I
one
love
of my
sharp
favorites.
Provolone cheese, like the stinkier the better. We're gonna cut the heat on this, sit on residual heat, letting that cheese melt while we jump over to our Kaiser rolls. We're gonna slice these in half. Now he liked Grey Poupon Dijon mustard on one side,
All right.
mayo on the other.
Okay.
Does it get any simpler?
No, it doesn't, but I get it.
Simple things.
Yes.
We'll go grab our mortadella, melted cheese, pile it up high, slide it on to these Kaiser rolls, and that's it. I mean, does it get any simpler?
You know what, it doesn't, but is it time for us to taste this awesome sandwich?
It is time, and I think we need to have everybody try it.
Absolutely.
Because I've never had one, and I know Erin can't wait to have one. CJ, can everybody come up here? Karina,
Yes.
Joelle? Oh, Andy, if anybody's dying to taste it, I know you are.
I mean, this is kind of the best part about Anthony Bourdain, right? He loves sharing food with other people.
He loved sharing food, and he loved the simplicity of food, which is
I can see why this was his favorite for sure.
perfect, simple. I love that we're inspired by people,
Legends, really.
legends, like CJ.
Dang right, man.
Wow. All right, let's wrap this up.
Uh-huh.
Let's
nice
cut
once
this.
in a while.
Yeah.
Nice ones in
Let's
a while.
wrap this
Yeah,
up.
be sure to like and subscribe.
I meant you.
Go watch my show.
Watch my show.
I'm a
watch
legend.
her
You'll
show,
have a
watch
blast.
Jess's show.
Okay, all the
You
shows.
guys, we'll find recipes every single day. So take this one, make it. Until next time. I think we're done for the day. Time to open up some wine. Let's go.
Fair enough.